Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. Myself Amrit Kumar Tripathi, as you know, and if you don't know, please subscribe the channel if you are learning BIM and wants to penetrate in this great industry. I am going to teach you BIM, Revit, and other BIM softwares from a very basic level to the very advanced level in future. So in the past we have covered a few topics such as how to create central file, as it's the most starting thing you should know, you should learn before learning Revit BIM. And one thing more, guys, today's video may be could be a little bit longer because we're going to cover three main topics in this video. Actually, I don't wanted to segregate these three topics into three different videos because they are kind of related to each other. So I'm going to teach all of the three features of Revit in this single video. So we have in past we have covered how to make central file, Revit interface, and how you can link a Revit file into your model, how to copy monitor grids and levels, and what is workset and how you can make an workset. Now in today's video, gentlemen, and I hope there is some women also. So ladies and gentlemen, in today's video we are going to learn view range, number 2 visibility graphics, and number 3 the use of workset. I know we have covered how to use workset, how to create workset in previous video, but in today's video we are going to learn what is the actual purpose, what is the actual implementation in model of workset. So first of all we will start with view range. So by you for using view range, you are simply click or give command to your keyboard by pressing V and R. After giving VR command, the visibility is the view range operation bar will be popped out up in your screen. And if you're wondering that how these commands are set it up, so for your guidance, press KS for keyboard shortcut. After clicking KS, simply search which Revit feature you want to access by giving commands. For example, we are searching, we will search for view range, VIEW, view RANGE. So as you can see, view range, and here VR I have already assigned, and from here press new keys. From here you can assign your your desired whatever you want, whatever command you want, you can set from here. Okay, so for now also you can access view range, I guess, from here. It's actually, yeah. So under the extents tab in the properties palette, here you can see the view range option is here. Also you can manually select it from here, but for time being and for project purpose I would recommend you to use VR command. After VR command, okay, finally we are in the visibility graphics option. So what is what is view range? View range is, friends, it is a feature given by Autodesk Revit that from the floor plan, which portions of the model we want to see from the floor plan. For example, see, this is the top. As you can see, this is the top, and on this sectional view you can see that number 1 is primary range top. So imagine a sectional view of a model. The upper part, that if we look towards the ceiling, the ending points, our visibility, eyes visibility will be the primary range top. The cut plane will be this number 2 you are seeing. This is the cut plane. If we up it up and down it towards down, we can adjust which portion of our elements we want to see from our floor plan. And lastly, sorry, and thirdly, this is the bottom. As you can see, the third number is, this is the bottom range. And last one, this is the view depth, the so the 6 under the soil, under the earth crust, this is the view range. For example, now what is the actual implementation of it? For now, see friends, our view range is set as 0.0 and towards level 1, and we are at lighting 0 floor plan, ground floor. 0 means ground floor. So if we draw a cable tray, CT, draw a cable tray and then start modeling it, but if we increase our height, our elevation to 10,000 for example, as you can see, we are now not able to see our cable tray. It's actually modeling in our model, but we can't see the modeled element. So how you can see it? Simply go to the view range and increase the top up to 10,000. Also you can go beyond 10,000 like 12,000. After clicking enter, you can see that we have drawn this cable tray on 10,000 elevation. So my friends, this is the basically feature the overall feature of visibility view range. And for example, if we draw another cable tray and modeled it on minus 10,000, we will not able to see the cable tray because we have modeled it on a very depth. So go to the VR and then increase the bottom to minus 12,000. Also we will increase it the depth to minus 12,000. After clicking apply OK, as you can see, this cable tray we have drawn is now can be visible from our floor plan. So this is the cut plane. You will be wondering that what is the cut plane then? Cut plane is nothing. If you draw a cable tray and if it stands between any of the portions from bottom to the top, you can adjust the cut plane to see it from that specific floor plan. So this is the view range. We are now deleting this thing. If you have any doubts, simply go to the comments and share your doubts. For example, for second, we will now move to our second subject today, that what is the use of visibility graphics. Free friends, if you want to access visibility graphics, simply you can click you can give command VG. After giving VG command, the visibility graphics option, the feature will pop out on your screen. Also you can simply click VV. Both of the commands are working. From starting, both of the commands are are already given by Autodesk Revit by default. Also, you can modify it according to your need by going to the KS or keyboard shortcut. So my friends, visibility graphics, by using visibility graphics, you can adjust, you can turn on, you can turn off whatever elements you want to see in your view. And not only the floor plan views, but also the sectional, the elevation view, the sectional views, the floor plan views. In any view, which elements you want to see, which elements you needs to see, everything you can turn it on, turn it off. Transparency overrides everything regarding elements. Visibility, you can control it, you can turn on and turn off from visibility graphics. For example, if we draw a cable tray, we can see it's modeled from our floor plan. But what if we go to the visibility graphics and then check cable tray? So it's on here, it's on. That's because of we are able to see the cable tray on from our floor plan. What if we close it? What if we check off it? What if we turn off it? Then clicking OK. As you can see, my friends, the cable tray is not anymore visible in our floor plan. If we go to the cable tray or visibility graphics and turn it on, we can able to see the cable tray again. So my friends, this is the overall concept of visibility graphics. I hope the visibility graphics feature you have overall idea about it. If you have any doubts, my friend, feel free to comment, or you can also go to my LinkedIn and ask me anything you want to ask. And lastly, what is Workset? My friends, if we actually, this is not a central file. I want to tell you something, that Workset will be only accessible, will be only featureable on central files, or you are working on a live project on central file or in Autodesk Construction Cloud. As we don't have a central file right now, so I think I might not able to show you the Workset, the use of Workset. But for time being, I will tell you that what Workset actually does. Friends, after creating a central file, we can segregate our services into their own meant to be worksets. For example, this is a cable tray, and we have create a workset from here. The workset is will be created from here. Also you can go to the collaborate tab. Under the collaborate tab you will find workset option. Then the whole process was operated from here, but as it's not a central file, we are not able to do it. But after clicking cable tray, you can draw any Revit element in their own corresponding worksets. And by go to visibility graphics, you will find there will be option popping out like here, workset, and then you can turn it off workset, that which element of that particular workset you want to see, and which element from that particular workset you don't want to see. You can control it from visibility graphics. So the workset option will be pop out just beside this once you have create a central file. So if you have doubt that how you can create a workset, just check my previous video and you have zero questions about what workset you can able to you will be master on workset. So friends, this is a today's video. If you have watched the video till the end, thank you so much. Make sure you have subscribed the channel, stay hit the like button if you really like, And if you really think this is a helpful content for you, my name is Amrit Kumar Tripathi. We'll see you in the next video, and keep supporting and keep learning BIM. Thank you so much.